Hi, I'm Zamantungwa Khumalo, and today we'll be giving this kitchen a facelift. Now, we all know how expensive remodeling a kitchen can be, but there are actually a few cost-effective things that you can do to make sure that you still have a good kitchen that looks amazing. For example, with this kitchen that's looking a bit run down, I'll be changing some of the doors. This one even fell off. I'll be changing the kitchen counter as well as putting in a new mosaic. Little things like sanding down your kitchen cupboards, putting in a bit of paint, maybe new handles, can bring it to life and make it look brand new. I popped into my local builders to choose the best products for this kitchen project, from door handles to the kitchen counter, and I was spoiled for choice. The kitchen is finally done and I couldn't be happier. If you want to make small changes to your kitchen and having it looking brand new, Builders is your place to go. Get to Builders, get it done.